Hello, another fish. Another fish. Salmon. Hello, salmon. Come on, darling. You're bigger now, eh? Ilang that one?
That's enough.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, look at that. This a lip, that one. Don't throw away this one because next time when you're coming, otherwise you're not buying.
Oh, it's only $3.
No, it's okay. That is still a money, you know?
Slippery.
Slippery everything.
He's caught well and truly.
You still can find that. Thank you, Lord, we found. Because last time, we were still long up here. We can get that fish. Wow. Thank you, Lord. Okay, go now.
I'll help this. Maybe I'll catch one.
Put this one, no? Fish? Still there, don't know. Hey, excuse me. Give this one. Put this one.
They have a bit of fun with them.
They'll have more fun if they catch the
So
fish.
we don't catch one straight away.
You don't want to.
Well, they throw it, they catch the fish on the first hook and then that's it. The fun's over.
Ah,
Yeah. Have you got to?
so yeah, bigger.
I'll get that away.
Thank you.
Don't want it in touch eye. Slowly, slowly wind it in.
Yeah.
Ducks are a pain in the ass.
Let's go home, let's go.
Okay.
I bring this one ako. Okay.